Ugh, I'm so glad it came out good.
Hi lovelies, Nengi here. So, come unbox with me. I am gonna start doing my nails at home because in this Atlanta here, they want to be charging you an arm and a leg just to get your nails done. So the first thing I got, UV LED nail lamp. This one is for when you're trying to press the nail on. It's just easier than the regular UV lamp that they use in the salon. You can't really put your hand under it. And then this is the X Coat Tips, the Gel X nails. They come in different designs, but I'm a very basic girl. If you didn't know that already, I'm pretty sure you knew that. But yeah, I've used this before. I did this before one of my friends, and bro, it took us it took us like 2 hours. I'm not gonna lie. So it's about to be a process, but it's fine. It's worth it. So I'm saving money. So yeah, I got different colors. Well, it came in different colors, different shades of pink for the tips. So it goes like light, dark, light, and just different shades. I will probably pick the shade I'm gonna use later. Let's get to. And now we have the UV lamp. I'm sure you guys have seen this before. This is the one that they actually use at the nail places. This one's for the final curing. So last but not least, you guys, this is the actual kit that has everything that's actually going to make your nails stick. This packaging, you guys, can we just have a moment for this packaging? It is gold, okay? And gold, if you know me, you know gold is my favorite color. Wow. Wow. Okay, let me give it a little close up because wow. Gold and black, you guys, is giving luxury now. Come on. It's giving luxury. So in here, let me take this out real quick. Okay. So this is kind of just the packaging, right? But the actual box has storage units. I don't know if you can see it from here. It has storage units that you can, store everything when you're done using it. So right here we have the bonder, the primer, the extend gel, and then the top gel. It also came with the file, and it actually came with another UV lamp. So I could just open this and show you. I'm not sure if I'm gonna use this one, to be fair, because when me and my friend first did it, we didn't use it. So I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, you guys, let's talk about pricing real quick. So this set alone was about $80. It was like 70 something, but let me just round up, $80. The actual gel coat tips were 28, and this also came with a file, by the way. But yeah, this was 28. Remember, you can buy any design you want. I just did French tips because I'm a basic girl and it's okay. And then the last UV lamp, this one that's going to be very helpful for placing nail placements and stuff. This one was $6. No, not 60, $6, you guys. So please, let's do the math. 80 plus 30, that's about like 110, plus 6, that's what, 116. Last time I went to get my nails done at a nail salon, I paid 150. You guys heard that price, right? So $150. Now this alone, mind you, these are things that you're gonna reuse for like 6 months to a year. It cost me 116 versus one nail visit in the salon. Yeah, you guys, it's a no-brainer. But yeah, if you guys love this, definitely let me know, and I will include it in my Amazon storefront in my bio. Make sure you go check it out. But yeah, all right guys, later. Yeah, but you guys, I am about to get my nails done. Wish me luck. If you see me next week and my nails are looking crazy, just keep quiet, because yes, I will get offended if you comment.